Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your mobile data. To begin, simply swipe down from the top of your screen to access your quick settings, then locate and tap the mobile data or cellular data icon. If it is already blue or green, it is active. For a more detailed approach, open your phone settings, find network and internet or connections, and then toggle on mobile data. This fundamental step connects you to your carrier's network, enabling online access on the go. Monitoring your data usage is essential to stay within your plan's limits and prevent unexpected charges. You can typically find this information under Settings, then Network and Internet or Connections, and finally Data Usage. Here, you will see how much data you have consumed over a specific period, often matching your billing cycle. Set data warnings or limits, for instance, at 80% of your 5 GB plan to receive alerts before reaching your cap, helping you manage effectively. Optimizing your mobile data usage can significantly extend its longevity throughout the month. Activate your phone's data saver or smart data mode, often found in network settings, which restricts apps from using data in the background. Furthermore, manually adjust which applications can refresh in the background. For example, setting social media apps to only update when opened can save you 20% of your daily data. Always download large files or stream high-quality videos when connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Encountering issues with your mobile data can be frustrating, but several simple steps can help. First, try turning airplane mode on for about 30 seconds, then turn it off again. This often reestablishes a fresh connection to your cellular network. If that does not work, go to your settings and select Reset Network Settings, which will reset Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth settings without deleting personal data. Also, ensure your SIM card is properly seated and clean, as a loose card can disrupt service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.